You think you are just tired. You think that brain fog, that constant low-level anxiety humming in your chest, is just the price of living in the modern world. You are wrong. Your brain is suffocating. Right now, your nervous system is trapped in a relentless loop of artificial dopamine and chronic cortisol. You are in survival mode, and no meditation app or weekend sleep-in is going to fix the biological damage being done to your cells.
But there is an emergency reset button, a biological hack discovered by the Japanese government in the 1980s, designed to literally rewire your DNA, dissolve modern stress, and multiply your body's natural killer cells in a matter of hours. In the next few minutes, I am going to tear down the New Age myths and show you the hard, undeniable science behind Shinrin-Yoku, or forest bathing. You will discover exactly why this ancient practice is the ultimate cure for your modern burnout. More importantly, I will give you the exact 120-minute protocol to execute this biological reset without ever stepping foot on a plane to Kyoto. If you value your sanity, your focus, and your lifespan, do not look away. Your cellular rehabilitation starts now. The dopamine death spiral. Let us look at the enemy. The human brain spent millions of years evolving in wild, natural landscapes. Today, you spend 90% of your life indoors, staring at flat, glowing rectangles. This architectural shift is destroying you. We call it technostress. Constant notifications trigger your amygdala, dumping adrenaline and cortisol into your bloodstream. Your body thinks it is being hunted by a predator 24/7. The science of phytocides. Enter the forest. When you step into the woods, you aren't just looking at trees. You are walking into an invisible pharmacy. Trees communicate and protect themselves by releasing essential oils called phytocides. When you breathe in these phytocides, your body undergoes a radical transformation. Japanese scientists proved that inhaling these compounds directly stimulates the production of NK cells, natural killer cells. These are the frontline soldiers of your immune system. A single weekend of forest bathing increases your NK cell activity by 50%, and the protective effects last for more than 30 days. You are not just relaxing, you are literally armoring your biology against disease and chronic inflammation. The sensory rewiring. Forest bathing is not hiking. Hiking is a physical workout. Shinrin-Yoku is a sensory workout. To unlock the brain's reset sequence, you must engage all 5 senses to anchor yourself in the present moment. Look at the leaves. Nature is built on fractal geometry, patterns that repeat at every scale. Studies show that simply observing these natural fractals shifts your brain out of the stressed beta wave state and into the calm, creative alpha wave state. The 120-minute protocol. You do not need a pristine Japanese forest. A quiet city park with mature trees will work. The protocol is simple but strict. Step 1. Leave your phone behind. No cameras, no music. Complete digital silence. Step 2. Aimlessly wander. No destination. Walk slowly, deliberately. Step 3. Engage the senses. Smell the damp earth. Listen to the wind through the leaves. Taste the air. Do this for exactly 2 hours a week. The modern world is a machine designed to extract your attention and exhaust your biology. Shinrin-Yoku is your ultimate rebellion. It is taking back your mind, your health, and your humanity, one breath at a time. If you are ready to stop merely surviving and start thriving, you need to fix your sleep next. Click the video on the screen right now where I break down the military sleep technique that will force your brain to shut down in 120 seconds. Subscribe, step outside, and reclaim your mind.